In this video, you will see a demonstration of how to auscultate the renal bruits. A bruit is a whooshing sound as blood flows through a narrowed vessel, and in this circumstance it could be associated with narrowing of the renal artery, which is referred to as renal artery stenosis. So let's take a look at how to do this practically. You should first set up your stethoscope so that you're listening to sounds through the bell. This is because whereas the diaphragm of the stethoscope is more attuned to relatively high-pitched sounds, the bell is more sensitive to low-pitched sounds like bruits. You should auscultate 1 to 2 centimeters superior to the umbilicus and slightly lateral to the midline on each side. A bruit in this location may be associated with renal artery stenosis. So now that you know how to do this practically, let's listen to the sound of a renal artery bruit. If you learned something new from this video, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment in the comments section. I tend to reply to all questions that are asked. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye.